Hey guys, Elon Musk's Grok 3 is here and it's making waves in the AI world. But is it really worth the hype? Let's break it down. First of all, let's talk about its features. It is built by xAI. Grok 3 claims to offer faster responses, better reasoning, and deeper contextual understanding. It's designed to rival top AI models like GPT-4 and Cloud 3. For the performance test, we put Grok 3 to the tests. For the writing, the problem, and the coding. For the writing, it generates high-quality, engaging content. For the problem solving, it handles complex queries impressively. For the coding, it is decent but not flawless. You can expect occasional errors. Is it worth the price? While Grok 3 is powerful, its premium access may not be justified for casual users, especially when models like GPT-4 offers similar performance at a competitive price. So the final verdict is Grok 3 is an AI powerhouse. But is it the best? That depends on your needs. If you are an AI enthusiast or need cutting-edge tech, it's worth exploring. But for everyday users, alternatives might be just as good for less. So what do you think? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fintech reviews.